us from Southwestern University in Manila, and today I'll be performing the cranial cleaning. So first off is I'll be asking for the patient's name. This is to have the identification card of the patient to ensure that I have the correct patient. So ma'am, I ask for your name, your advantage, and then check my chart. After that is I will be now introducing myself to the patient, build rapport and connection to the patient, and next is I will be explaining the procedure to the patient, and so that the patient will know what will happen to the procedure. So ma'am, I will be cleaning your cranial. If you don't know what cranial is, it is where your baby comes out. So today I will be starting that, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask during the procedure or ongoing. That. That, so assuming that I've already prepared all the 6 sponges I'll be using for my patient, it is very important to have it prepared already so that we would have a smooth procedure. After that is I'll be proceed. Always work from the clean